Hello? Hello? Is this a prank call? Nice try, little buddy, but maybe remember to say something funny next time. Bye-bye.
Hello? Hello? Hey, are you playing a game? Well, okay. Bye-bye.
Hello, this is Frank. Hello? Are you there? If you think this is funny, you'd better think again. Goodbye.
Hello? Oh, Feathers, can you hear me? Well, I can't hear you. Well, if you can hear me again, call me back. Goodbye. Oh, and be careful.
Hello? 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 Ha 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 ha. I'm only kidding. I know you're there. Did you like my joke? I think you were going to say yes. Ha 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 ha. It's hard to hear you think through this funny phone. Very fuzzy. A little like me. Speaking of, do you know who I am? Oh no. Well, that's not neighborly at all. We've never met before. Don't worry though. You and I haven't spoken, but I have seen you. Whenever you've looked into my eyes, what did you see when you did? Ha 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 ha. I hope you saw a friend, but I'm not sure you saw a name. Sit still. Let's start over. Ring, ring, ring. Click. Hi, I'm Wally. I'm so happy to finally meet you. I think you're the absolute most. Uh-oh. I have to go now. Everyone is probably thinking about their strange phone call. What fun talk about. Don't worry though, neighbor. It will be a little joke between you and me. They're not ready to meet you yet. Remember, until you hear me again, keep your smile merry and always know that I love you very much. Goodbye.